This is also a problem from JAA. If vector A equal to 2i plus j minus 2k, vector B equal to I plus j, and vector C is such that magnitude of vector minus C is 3, and magnitude of A cross B cross C is 3, angle between C and A cross B is 30 degree, then what is the dot product of the vector C and C? See, even by seeing the information contained in the given problem, you will be afraid of. No, please, I am there now. Please go through. Within short time, with the short procedure, I will give you. It is given that magnitude of, it is A cross. If A vector is there, the angle between C and A cross B is given. Angle between C and A cross B is given that A cross B cross C equal to magnitude of A cross B into magnitude of vector C sine of the angle between the two vectors into sine 30, because angle between A cross B and C is given 30 degree. Next, we have to find A cross B. A cross B equal to the determinant I cap, J cap, K cap, A 2, 1, minus 2. Direction ratios of B are 1, 1, 0. Then determinant will be I cap of 0 minus plus 2 minus J cap of 0 plus 2 and K cap of 2 minus 1 is 1. So magnitude of the vector A cross B is 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Magnitude of vector B is equal to square root of this. Square root of the squares of these direction ratios. 4 plus 1, 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. Root 9 equal to 3. So, we know that. So, also it is given A dot C, what is the value that you have to find. So, now this is A cross of this we have found out here. The value of A cross B we got is 3. We are required to find here what is the value of A dot C. So then this A cross B cross C is equal to, by cross product of the two, I will take this as 1, this is second. It is magnitude of A cross B into magnitude of vector C into sine of the angle between the two vectors. A cross B and C is given, sine of the angle between the two vectors is 30 degree. Okay. Then it is A cross B. If I take modulus, A cross B is what here? Modulus of A cross B is 3. If I take modulus here, it is 3 into C is equal to modulus of A cross B is, its value is, if I take magnitude, magnitude of A cross B is 3 into vector C, magnitude of vector C equal to into sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Its value is given, that is 3. That is 3. So 3 into modulus of vector C into 1 by 2 is the sine 30 value. Value of A cross B is 3. Magnitude. Value of magnitude of C is, that is, we have to find sine 30 degrees 1 by 2. These 3 get cancels here, and magnitude of vector C equal to 2. Magnitude of vector C equal to 2. Let me rub this. problem. Now our aim is to find what is the value of A dot C. We know that it is given that magnitude of vector A minus vector C is equal to 3. Squaring both sides. Vectors are not squared directly, their magnitudes are squared. Please keep on your memory. Vectors are not squared directly, their magnitudes are squared. A square plus A minus B whole square form A square plus B square minus 2AB. Magnitude A square plus magnitude C square minus 2 times of magnitude A dot C is equal to 3. Magnitude of A square, A vector is, it's given in problem, pass. A, A vector, 2I plus J minus 2K, isn't it? Its magnitude is square root of 4 plus 1 plus 4. It is 9. Root 9 is 3. Its square is 9 only. Magnitude A square plus magnitude C square. Magnitude C square, C we got here. Magnitude C is 2. Magnitude of C square is 4. Minus 2 times of A dot C is equal to 3. 9 plus 4, 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. Pass. Yes, this is magnitude of vector A square is 9. Magnitude of vector C square is 4 minus 2 times of A dot C is equal to, I have squared, no? Thus 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. Therefore, 9 get cancels both sides. So, 4 I will keep here only. Minus 2 times of A dot C I will transfer to that side. Plus 2 times of A dot C. Therefore, A dot C we are required to find equal to 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are is equal to 2. Our required option is B. Value is 2. What has to be done here according to given condition A and B are given and this is given A cross of B cross C. Magnitude of A cross of B cross C is 3 is given. Due to that you can find this value first. You can treat this as one vector, this is second vector. Their cross product is magnitude of vector A cross B, magnitude of vector C into sine of the angle 30. First we have to find A cross B, we don't know. A cross B is determinant this one. Now we have simplified the determinant, we got this vector. Magnitude of vector A cross B is square root of 4 plus 1 is root 9 is 3. After that we have to take once again this condition, magnitude of A cross B cross C. So but it is given that magnitude of A minus vector C is 3. Squaring on both sides. Vectors are not directly squared, their magnitudes are squared. Magnitude of vector A square plus magnitude of vector C square minus 2 times of A dot C is equal to 3. Its value you know 9. Its value 4 minus, because vector A is 2I plus J minus 2K. If you take its magnitude 4 plus 1 plus square root of 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 9. Square root of 9 square is, square root of 9 square is 9 only. Plus magnitude of C is 2, square of 2 is 4 minus 2 times of A dot C. 9 cancelled as contained both sides. So minus 2 times of A dot C is equal to 4. Therefore, A dot C equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. You know, minus 2 times of A dot C equal to, if you transfer 4 this side, or minus 2 times of A dot C you transfer this side, plus 2 times of A dot C, plus 2 times of A dot C is 4. So A dot C is 4 by 2 is 2. This is our required value. According to our required value, the given option is 2 is right. Okay students, today I would like to close. We have to continue with the next consequent problems in next class. Till that, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.